Hello, my name is Edward Miranda and I'm a senior in mechanical engineering at Oregon State University. I'm going to show you how I redesigned and attempted to manufacture a pair of safety glasses. I'm going to run through some areas for improvement on our current pair of safety glasses. I'm also going to show some sketches I've made while waiting for redesign concepts. I will show you manufacturing processes I use to improve my design. At the end, I will discuss how I would design for manufacture if I were to take this product into high-volume production.
As you can see, the glasses become flimsy upon adjusting them to a particular length. Although they can be adjusted to fit each person, they lack stability when extended too far. Also, the bridge for the nose is made of a thermoplastic rubber that does not supply comfort to the nose while the glasses are being used. Comfort is important in a pair of safety glasses because if they are not comfortable, they will not be worn. I began the design process by sketching to get a better idea of how the new design would look. I benchmarked against existing safety glasses as a reference for the dimensions of my own design. Once the dimensions were determined, I created a CAD model using SolidWorks. I used the SolidWorks Loft feature to create the arms of the glasses by following a three-dimensional spline. The visor of the safety glasses were made by creating a swept surface, guided by two curved splines. Then, I added thickness to the surface and trimmed the edges of the lens using a custom outline I made. I printed the arms and the visor of the safety glasses using a 3D printer in a process called additive manufacturing. The exterior of the printed parts will be sanded and smoothed so that I can make a mold of the parts. As you can see here, there's a lot of leftover polylactic acid, or PLA plastic, from the 3D printer. A layer of epoxy resin was applied to the outside of the parts to fill in the gaps left by the 3D printer. I made an encasement for the mold using pieces of an Amazon Prime shipping container, also known as a cardboard box. I made sure to secure all the corners with a hot glue gun. The mold itself will be made from a 1-to-1 silicone mixture. Once the silicone cured, I released the 3D printed parts by cutting a zigzag pattern through the sides. I cut it this way so both pieces would come back together nicely. I poured another 1-to-1 mixture of urethane into the mold through the holes left by the arms and the bottom cardboard piece. Once the urethane cured, I noticed the pieces had some deficiencies. The mold was destroyed beyond repair when I released the parts. To make the visor, I heated a sheet of polycarbonate that was 1/16 inches thick and pressed it over my 3D printed visor. If I were to send these glasses to high volume production, all the components would be injection molded. The pressure would force the melted resin to reach each corner of the mold, including the small geometries. Thanks for watching.